Welcome back to the channel. Today we will review the Pixel 8 Pro. The Pixel 8 Pro actually maintains the same physical dimension as its predecessor, the Pixel 7 Pro. The first thing that we noted is that it has a 6.7-inch flat screen instead of a curved screen on the sides. The camera arrangement has been reconfigured, and the Pixel 8 now incorporates a temperature sensor. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a Super Actua display, which is brighter, ranging from 1006 nits to an impressive 2400 nits. The Pixel 8 Pro has the same memory size as the previous generation, except that it also offers a 1TB version. The battery capacity has been increased to 5050 mAh. The Pixel 8 Pro features the advanced Tensor G3 processor, which has 9 cores instead of 8. All the 3 rear cameras get an upgrade of its aperture, so that means more light can get into the camera system. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with new camera features, and that include Pro Controls, Best Stick, Audio Magic Erase, Night Sight Video, Video Boost, Magic Editor, Ultra HDR, Astrophotography, etc. Video Boost and Night Sight Video will be available in the next feature drop in December. The Pixel 8 Pro comes pre-installed with Android 14, and you will receive software updates for up to 7 years, including security updates. In the next few sections, we will take a look at the Geekbench benchmarks, comparison of photos and videos, and also the features like Pro Controls, Best Stick, Audio Magic Eraser, and Temperature Sensor on the Pixel 8 Pro.